What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a burst mid taper on my boy, so stay tuned. We started off by saturating the hair and combing all the hair in the direction it lays, and then debulking the sides with a 3 guard all the way open. Now we're going to be switching to our 4 guard all the way open and going about an inch above the line we made. Now that we're done debulking the sides, we're going to move on to our clipper oval comb and finish the blend. When the cutting blade is vertical, I'm blending. When the cutting blade is horizontal, I'm debulking. Now that we're done with our clipper oval comb, we're going to move on to our shear work and debulk the sides. As you can see, I'm cutting at an angle so the hair could blend in. Going back to our clipper oval comb, we're going to horizontally debulk. Moving on to our thinning shears, we're going to slightly grab the hair with the comb and cut with our thinning shears. There still was a little bit of bulk, so I went to my razor comb and debulked. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. When you're using your shears, you want to make sure you feed the hair with your comb into your fingers and then cut with your cutting blade. Moving on to the back side, we're going to continue with our 4 guard all the way open and debulk the sides. As you can see, I feed the hair into the clipper with my comb. There was still some bulk I saw, so I went back to my shear work and removed it. After we're done saturating the hair, we're going to move on to our back taper and use our gold FX to create our first guideline. Now that we're done balding them out, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. To erase your initial guideline, you're going to use the lever midway and all the way closed. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this guard, you're going to soften up the line with the lever midway and closed and get it ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Using our two guard all the way open, we're going to create our fourth guideline and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the two guard, we're going to move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. If the line is still there, you could use your one guard all the way open to erase it. After I was done with my 1.5 guard, there was still a little bit of darkness, so I switched over to my one guard all the way open and removed them. Now that we're done with the bottom side of the taper, we're going to move on to the top side of the taper and use the 3 guard all the way open. Now with our 4 guard all the way open, we're going to debulk the back near the occipital bone. Moving on to the neckline, we're going to use our gold FX and make them as crispy as possible. I always start my way from the bottom and work my way to the top of the ear. Using our Gold FX, we're going to create the first guideline to our burst taper. I usually like to make this guideline like a triangle. Now that we're done creating our guideline, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and continue with that exaggerated rainbow shape. We're going to be using our Babyliss foil shavers to remove the stubble. Using our one guard all the way open, we're going to continue with that exaggerated rainbow / teardrop shape. Best thing to do is start in the middle and work your ways to the sides. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. The whole point of a burst taper is keeping the sides really dark, so when you line it up, it looks like a teardrop. Using our 1.5 guard to remove the line we created with our 2 guard all the way open. Using our clipper of a comb method, we're going to blend the taper into the sides. I start to detail with the no guard all the way open at a 90-degree angle, which is also known as the raking technique. We're going to be using our gold FX to line them up. We're going to start in the bottom of the C cup and work our way to the top. Once we're done putting the line in there, now you can see that the burst taper is really starting to take its effect. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. We're moving on to the hairline. First, we're going to comb all the hairs into place and debulk with our one guard all the way open. Using our elegant shave gel, our Derby premium blades, and our Turkish razor, we're going to remove all the stubble and make them as crispy as possible.